Hi, I'm Sunny Girl Miss Cindy. You have no idea, I was just so involved in a new program that I got my hands on called Kyros.AI. Are you interested? Getting into top universities without spending $30,000 US a year? In tutoring or any private classes? Well, I think what I have here might be for you. Want to take a look? Come join me. Did you like what you see? I'm excited. And there's going to be a lot more that I'm going to be sharing with you. So follow me on all my platforms and we'll meet again.